And here we come with another thrilling episode of 3D Printing the Miniature Universe with Papa Jester. Alright, let's get into another episode. Hi! Good to see you again. So, today I'd like to start off with something cool. Today, I'd like to thank my first sponsor. Yeah! The Gulf Coast Renaissance Fair. Yes, the Gulf Coast Renaissance Fair in Milton, Florida. March 6th and 7th. I know. Let's go to the commercial.
Gulf Coast Renaissance Wild West Pirate and History Fest, March 6 and 7. See jousting knights, pirates, cowboy gunslingers, Civil War and World War II soldiers, and much more. $10 adults, $5 child. Info, gcrf.us. Get historical!
Alright, well, as you can hear, the bass is kicking. And my 3D printer is running again. So, I'm making yet another creation for a customer. Yes. He has ordered a print to be made, and considering it will be supplementary parts to outfit a Lehman Russ, I'm going to send him some extras. Since, you know, it's kind of hard to find sometimes when you want, like, say, a bolter. Or a las cannon, or a missile launcher, or something to that respect. So, I'm going to take the time to print on my machine the extra parts he's going to need. And since, for some unforeseen reason, his kit did not come with sponsons, I'll be printing up sponsons for him too. So, I'll show you the finished work once I'm done printing everything up. Because today, I'm ahead of all the stuff I need to do for the Ren Faire. So that means I can get to the real job of goofing off making 3D stuff. Alright. So, I've got to make a blaster to go along with this helmet. That's on my schedule. Maybe I ought to do a carbine. What do you guys think? Han Solo blaster pistol or an Imperial blaster carbine? Let me know what you think I ought to print up next. Alright, this is just a short, let you know I'm still alive. And I haven't gone off to the great Death Star in the sky. And I'm still working hard doing 3D printing. Alright, so as always, people, brothers, sisters, friends, Roman, countrymen, lend me your ears. Remember to print what you want. Print anything you want. Just enjoy your printing and have fun. Because if you can't have fun making toys, then there's just no hope for you. Alright, stay safe. Bye.
Gulf Coast Renaissance Wild West Pirate and History Fest, March 6 and 7. See jousting knights, pirates, cowboy gunslingers, Civil War and World War II soldiers, and much more. $10 adults, $5 child. Info, gcrf.us. Get historical!
Alright, thanks for watching. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment on things you like to talk about. Tell me what you thought about the episode. Give me your input. I'd love to hear it. Also, don't forget to check me out on Facebook at 3D Printing the Miniature Universe with Papa Jester. stay tuned for more exciting episodes of 3D Printing the Miniature Universe with Papa Jester. Hey, y'all. You have a good night.